Welcome to Localize. This video describes the basic workflow of translating your website. You'll learn how content is found by Localize and brought into your Localize dashboard, and how to translate that content with machine and human translations. I've already added the Localize code to this demo website. You can see that the language widget is displayed in the site. This tells you that Localize has been installed successfully. Localize will begin to automatically detect all of the content in your application and make it available for translation. Phrase detection happens once a visitor hits the pages of your application for the first time. To kickstart this process, select the target language from the widget and refresh every page of your site so Localize can quickly detect all of your content. Now return to your Localize dashboard. Click Phrases, and you should see that Localize has detected your content and put it into the pending bin. You'll also see an on-screen prompt informing you that you have new phrases in your pending bin. Click on Go to Pending Bin. The pending bin is where all newly detected or newly edited source content will be found, where it can be approved for translation or blocked. You can approve the phrases individually or select all phrases in the pending bin. You can learn more about a phrase by selecting information in the drop-down for that phrase. I'm going to select all phrases on this first page and approve them for translation by clicking the green check mark. The phrases are moved to the Publish bin, and free machine translations are generated. The translations can be used as is, edited by your translators, or submitted in an order to one of our third-party human translation providers. To allow for more control of your translation workflow, see our demo video on the Advanced In-Progress Workflow tool. The translations are now live on your website. Localize is really that simple.